Do you have a mind-blowing startup idea which can rock the world? Or are you a micro, small or medium business owner worried sick about the ever-increasing day-to-day compliances? Do you also want to live those big billion dreams that keep you awake at night? Then we would like to take a moment and welcome you to Paze. Paze is there for you right from the moment you had that amazing billion-dollar idea to running your day-to-day operations smoothly. Paze have always got your back, be it registrations, coping with day-to-day compliances, or even sometimes occasional notices from various government departments. Now we understand that not all people do business, but that is okay, because we have got individuals covered as well. We are there for you from something as simple as a PAN registration to complex things like income tax return filings, or even more complex things like replying to notices. So, do you need a professional for your individual financial needs? Or are you looking for an expert for your business needs? Well, you have landed on the right page. We are Paze. We are a team of dedicated expert professionals such as chartered accountants, company secretaries, cost accountants, and legal advisors who are always available to solve the problems you are facing in the financial and legal front of your business and make the day-to-day compliances less stressful than it appears to be. We provide a host of services like companies, partnerships, GSTs, income tax, digital signatures, trademarks, just to name a few. You name a service and we've got it covered. We make compliances easy as it is to spell easy, so that you can focus on yourself and achieve the goals you always dreamt of. Get in touch with us now to say goodbye to your business and individual compliance worries and say hello to a stressless environment.